Good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. I believe this is video number 17. Yeah, 17. And we just got our earnings here, as you can clearly see up at the top here. The notification bell. Click on that, and there you go. 59.10 is what we earned today, guys. Or sorry, what I earned today, I should say. But our group, everybody invested, earned 0.57% on their money. And I'm at the 10,000 plus tier, so I'm earning 75% of the total earnings, which happens to be 59.10, and then they get the other 30%. So yeah, guys. So we're now in the straightaway here, in the final stretch, getting close to 14,000. I'm about $116 away now. I added up everything here. This amount plus this amount up top, $1.43 I have. I will be getting into the $14,000 range on to 15,000. I figure, guys, once I get to, I was going to start doing withdrawals, like it's basically, tomorrow's June 1st, so I think I'm going to let it ride for another month. Then I'm going to start doing withdrawals in July, because by July I'll be over 15,000. And at 15,000, guys, if the month is 10%, which the last few months have been around, I'll be making $1,100 a month. So that's $1,100 every month. So if you do the math, divided by 2, that's $550 every 2 weeks. So I'm going to take out half of that, pocket it, and then reinvest the other half. And then just let the system continue to go and continue to earn me money, guys. I've been building since October of 2020, and it's now June of 2022. So yeah, that is almost well, actually over a year and a half, getting into like a year and 3/4 now. And yeah, I'm at the point now, I just want to start enjoying my money. I've just been building and building and building and reinvesting. So yeah, it's that time, guys. As you can see, I've made almost 10 grand in the system here. I'm at $9,720.16. So yeah, things are moving along real well. Hopefully we can get a good 2-week batch here, so I can get another 500. I made 500 the last 2-week batch, so that's been reinvested. So once you reinvest the money, guys, you can't pull this out. I mean, you could. There's just penalties. If you actually go to the withdrawal section, as you see, if you pull it out 1 year to the date, there's no commission. And then I think it's 90 days or 180 days, it's 10%. 90 days is 20%, and 60 days or something like that is 30%. But yeah, you can't withdraw anything within 3 months after investing. So you have to let it sit for 3 months, then you can start doing withdrawals. So that's the rules, guys. But I don't plan on withdrawing this money. This is the principal. This is what I'm earning on. So the main thing I'm worried about is the money right here. This is the money I'll be able to withdraw. This is my monthly earnings, and that'll eventually go right up to the top here. And once it's up to the top right here, it's available to be withdrawed, guys. I can withdraw the money into the S wallet, and then from there transfer it to my ShakePay account, convert it to USD dollars, and then just transfer it to my bank account, and then boom, go out for dinner, go pay some bills, which is what I'm planning on doing with the money. Actually doing some house renovations, guys, so I want to put this money into that, and that'll yeah, make everything all sweet. So I want to thank you guys for checking this video out, following along with me. I know I'm kind of babbling, but you know, if there's anything, it's pretty straightforward. If there's anything you want to know about S Group, the company itself, or Forex market investment, which I'm involved in, shoot me an email down below in the description. I'll be more than happy to get back to you guys, and that way you guys can basically, you know, have some dialogue with me, and you know, pick my brain. Let me know what's on your mind, and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Been with the company for over a year and a half, so I know all the ins and outs. So, but anyways, that concludes this video. Link in the description is to sign up. Click on the link below and sign up underneath my group, and I'll walk you through everything. You have to be your fruit in, so you can do it through there, and you can shoot me an email. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. You can follow my progress. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.